This is Njambiz and welcome back to my channel. Yes, and yes. Today I want to show you how to create a free website with Google My Business. Now I've already shown you how to set up Google My Business. If you haven't watched that video, check it out. The link will be on the top right corner and in the description box below. So let's get started. So we'll start with setting up the business on Google My Business. So let's say I'm doing this for Njambiz tutorials. Create a fresh new business so that we start from scratch. And then click next. Again, if you haven't checked out how to set up Google My Business, check out that video. Do you want to add a location? Let's see. No, because it doesn't exactly have an office. Where do you serve your customers? That should be sufficient. Location. So I'm just breezing through the basics until we get to the website. Alright, so I'll select get a free website based on your info and click next. Would you like to receive communications with personalized blah blah blah? No, thank you. I already get enough of these. Alright, so finish and verify the business. Alright, now that I've created the Google My Business account, I'm going to go down to the menu on the left side and click on website. So it's saying your site updates automatically whenever you change your business info on Google My Business. Alright, so you can pick a theme for your site. Tell a story, let your customers know who you are and what you're about, and add photos and so on. So the first thing I'll do is set up a theme. Let's see which one looks cool. Oh, this isn't so bad. Let's try this. See what that looks like. Yeah, that's nice. I like it. This. So you have different options. You can check that out. The themes, see what you like, then select it. Then you can edit the text, and this works if you don't have the resources to create a fresh website from scratch, to hire a developer like myself to create the website for you. You want something quick and simple and you can use for Google My Business and create ads. This can work for you. So here we have a button, this get quote. This is what the button does: sends customer name, phone number, email, and messages to your email. This is the email I've used to create the Google My Business account, and all other listing owners and managers that you will add to the Google Business account. So you have Njambiz tutorials. So I can change the description to digital marketing. Again, this is a very simple website. If you're looking to do a huge institution, this I wouldn't recommend for you. This is for a small business, a small startup that doesn't have the funds to do a proper website. Just get sort of like a placeholder for your business. Okay, So I've put in my summary. Alright, so I'll go ahead and add that, save that. So this is what that looks like so far. Njambiz tutorials. Have my little mini menu right here. My business name, get quote, call now, gives you the phone number. What we do, I'll leave that header, it actually kinda really looks cool. I'll leave that as is and come and fill in all the other details. Yeah, I'll keep the header. Creating the post, I think I already shared on how to do this. Creating the Google post, for now I'll skip that. Let's do services. Add the services you provide. Alright, so I've added my services. So I have digital marketing, and under this I have social media marketing, YouTube video ads. If you want to add another section, you can add another section. Let's say branding, branding, and then under branding I can put logo design, posters design, and so on. So I'll put 2 sections just so you can see what that will look like. Alright, that's good. And then go back to the website. Now that I've added services, alright, so let's see post. I'll come back to the post. So my services I've picked. I have the social media marketing, YouTube video ads, and I have branding just under that. So you can segment your services like that and have sub services or descriptions of the service. And then for testimonials, this of course will come from your ratings. I haven't verified the business as of now, I'll skip that. And then about us, I already put this in. We provide digital marketing training and tutorials. I already set that up in the summary. Gallery, if you want to add images, I'll just add a few random images just so you can see what that looks like. Right, so I've added 2 images. Let me see, contact us. Contact us has call now because I've given the number. Then I can add hours, business hours. That again takes you to the info section of your Google My Business. So we are closed on Sunday, open on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then I'll set the hours. Okay, I've added my hours, set up my business hours. Let me just go back to the website, and as you can see, the website is speaking from the various segments on Google My Business. and there are just a few things that you need to set up in this case. Alright, so everything is good. About, gallery, contact us, call now, then our business hours. So now that I've done that, let's see if there's anything else. Let's go to more. So my site address will be at njambiztutorials.business.site. I can try and update this. So I can change the name, at least the business name extension of it, but the business.site remains the way it is. You can unpublish the website if you don't want it online anymore. Verify my listing. I haven't done that yet, but I showed you how to verify again in the video for setting up Google My Business. Check that out if you haven't already. And then language. Okay, so far so good. So if I need to edit any text, I can edit any text right here. As of now, I'm happy with everything. The theme, I'm happy with the theme. Let's go and see view site. And there is my site. Njambiz Tutorials. Get quote. You can get quote. See what that does. You fill in your details. I'll fill in my details and see what that gets me. 700123456, and then actually let me use my Njambiz Tutorials email. So I've filled in the form. What are your rates? Question and my details, and I'll submit and see how that comes in. And then get quote, call now. You can call the number. So I'll just close this. Can call the number I set up under my business, and then you have the header, which you can change. You can create a fresh header. Check out the Canva tutorials I did for creating banners, posters, and all these headers. I have a video to that. I'll link it in the top right and put it in the description box, what you can use to create the banner. So we have the banner, we have the services, digital marketing training, like we set it up, social media, YouTube video ads, and so on. And then branding below that. And then about us, gallery, if you've added any images. Contact us, shows I'm in Nairobi, then the phone number and the business hours, and that's it. It's a simple site with all the info you need people to know from Google My Business. And that's the website. And check out the menu, gives you services, which scrolls you down to the services, about us. It's like a one-pager basically. And contact us, which is pretty cool. Pretty dope. So I just wanted to show you, this is how the email from the form we've just filled looks like. So it says you've received a new message for Njambiz Tutorials, and then gives you the details right here, the name, the phone, the email, and the message, and then it has the option to reply now, which replies to that email address. So that is very cool. And then you can give them the quotation or whatever other details they've requested for. So that's it, people. That's how you create a simple functional website with and free, the important part being free, and free website with Google My Business. If you don't have enough resources to see a developer about creating an actual website, this will serve you for the time being while you're starting to set up the business, and then you can get a professional website later on. So this should be good enough to work with as you begin if you don't have a website. So I hope that was informative, and again, if you want this to contain more details, you just go ahead and add more details. As you've seen, I've just summarized most of it, so you can add more details on this. So yeah, that's how you create a free website with Google My Business. I hope you've learned something new today. If you have, give this video a very big thumbs up. Check out the videos in the description box on how to create your Google My Business profile and how to create banners, posters, and so on with Canva. And again, if you liked it, if you learned something, share it widely. Comment below if you have any questions. If there's anything I haven't covered that you'd like to know about, comment below. If this video was informative, comment below if you have any feedback, whether question or otherwise. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, we'll be learning a lot more about digital marketing, branding, and business every single week. So subscribe, and thank you for watching.